I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A warmer trend begins as a ridge of high pressure builds eastward onto the plains. Heating this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon could lead to some clouds forming and some sprinkles. Otherwise, sunshine remains hazy this week from the smoke of Canadian wildfires. That smoke being pushed down to the surface over southwest Nebraska, northwest Kansas, and eastern Colorado, causing visibility and air quality issues through the middle of this evening. After seasonal highs in the mid-80s to the low 90s this afternoon, that ridge of high pressure moves over the plains for tomorrow through Saturday, and we see widespread highs in the 90s. Sunday and Monday are the hottest days of the next week, with highs in the mid-90s to around 100. Increasing humidity may result in sweltering heat for several days, including heat index values over 105 from Monday and next Tuesday. Over the weekend, that high-pressure ridge flattening and allowing for a few thunderstorms to develop Saturday night through Sunday night, but mostly to the north of I-80. In the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are very likely Sunday through the first 5 days of August in Nebraska and Kansas. The increase in heat also comes with drier conditions as Nebraska and Kansas rainfall is expected to be mostly below normal Sunday through August 5th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include a hotter extended forecast for the Corn Belt and drier weather with heat for the northern plains, Canadian prairies, and Black Sea region. Rain in the southeastern U.S. lingers into the weekend with additional rainfall of 2 to 4 inches in many locations from the western Gulf Coast to the southern Atlantic states. Lighter rain affects the Midwest and Northeast, with most of the rain ending by Thursday. Mostly dry weather dominates the plains and far west. Heat gradually expands eastward to cover much of the nation's midsection. Across the plains and Midwest, the turn to hotter and drier weather could start to impact reproductive to filling corn and soybeans. Towards the northern plains, the heat is helping to develop late planted corn and soybeans for now, but the need for rain is expected to increase. The Canadian prairies have been dealing with heat the last couple of weeks. While the heat lets up a bit by this weekend, rainfall in the Canadian prairies is likely to be limited. In the Black Sea region, any rainfall is light. Normal to warmer than normal temperatures in the Black Sea region are likely to add to the stress of developing corn and sunflowers. For Argentina, limited rain is becoming a major concern for the wheat crop in the short term and the upcoming corn and soybean crops in the long term. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.